In this video, you will learn how to grow your virtual assistant business and get more clients so that you can have a consistent flow of income. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala, your VA trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. If you're new here, this channel is about tips, tricks, and tools on how to start and grow your virtual assistant business. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. At any point of this video, just feel free to check out the notes and the links in the description below. So anyway, on with the topic. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel like stuck in your virtual assistant business? So maybe you think that your business is not growing, or you need more clients, or maybe you just want to have a consistent flow of income. Well, I feel you, to be honest, because I've been there and sometimes I still feel it. Getting more clients is one of the struggles of a virtual assistant. But I think I've shared some videos on how to find more clients, so feel free to browse this channel. I do hope that you watched that video, and if not yet, I'll share the links in the description below, okay? I know that sometimes you wish, as a starting VA, that there is a shortcut for everything, because as a virtual assistant, we tend to learn more and we want to learn everything at once. Or sometimes, because out of desperation, we just grab any client that will come to us no matter how low the offered rate is, because we just want to have another source of income, right? It's actually sad and bad for the business, and you know that deep inside you deserve more than what you're getting. Let me ask you, what have you done recently? Have you been sharing about your virtual assistant services? Have you been exposing yourself? Not the naked type of exposure. But anyway, exposure means that you post in your social media accounts about what you do as a virtual assistant, or you use your connections, perhaps personal connections from friends, family, and relatives, if they or someone they know would need help when it comes to their online business. Because letting people know what you do is some type of exposure. So have you done that lately? Or have you joined a Facebook group with your ideal clients and connect with them inside the group? For example, in Facebook or in LinkedIn or anywhere you are active. Are you exposing your skills with your ideal clients? Do you help them when they post something and they need help? Do you give them advices for free? This is not to gain more clients in an instant, but doing this will build not only your confidence, but you will make yourself known and build an authority with the skills that you provide. You will be the go-to person of your ideal clients. So doing those things can actually help grow your business. Another tip here, consistency is key. You always have to do this every week, okay? You cannot stop doing this unless you want to rest from your business. The key is consistency of getting yourself out there, exposing your business out there, and let people know what you do. You cannot expect clients looking for you when they don't know who you are. And I hope that those questions will help you reflect on yourself, will remind you that yes, I have to do this. Another way of growing your business is to learn from people who successfully done it in the past and still doing it until now, right? Growing your VA business is always part of the challenge, like any other businesses. But what if there is a person or many people, experienced people, experts, who will share with you on how to go around it so that you can have a consistent flow of income? Would you listen to them? Would you want to connect with them? You would, right? Now, if you want to grow your business, one of the tricks is to stand out from the crowd. I know that there are many virtual assistants out there. Another trick is having the right mindset. Maybe It's not about other people, it's about ourselves. So we have to change our mindset. Or maybe we just have to use another platform to focus on. Maybe we need to focus on one platform so that we can get more clients. Whatever the techniques are, I know that you would try anything just to help your business, right? Would it be great to have an access to one training that can help you grow your business, and which is actually a shortcut? Because during my time when I was learning and starting as a VA, I don't have access to any of it. A fellow virtual assistant and now, of course, a trainer named Tonya is always hosting an online VA conference every year. She does this actually twice a year, if I'm not mistaken. She would gather all the virtual assistants from different places and have them share their expertise so that fellow virtual assistants like you and me will grow together in our business. Isn't that great to have something like that? I'm sharing this with you today because I realized that the recent online conference is more focused on getting more clients and growing your business and having a balanced life. The online virtual assistant conference is actually over, but the recordings are still available online. So let me share some of the topics that we have inside. So Tonya, being the founder of this VA conference, is sharing on how to find clients, where to look for them, and how to make a funnel and follow up with them so that you can close that deal. So Reese, another VA trader that I know from a Facebook group, will show you on how to stop charging very low and start getting paid with higher rate. She will smash through our mindset issues that are keeping us from believing that we are worth more than we are thinking of, and we can earn more money as a virtual assistant. Alisa will be sharing on how to use LinkedIn, get that LinkedIn, to grow your virtual assistant business. These are just 3 of the topics that we have on this online conference. Connecting with fellow virtual assistants and learning from them can really do wonders in your business, especially when you are starting. You will never feel alone again. And in fact, you will be learning from those people who have first-hand experience, which is actually great. You want to learn from someone who really did it, who were in your situation. By the way, before I close this, the reason that I'm endorsing this online conference with you, because 2 years ago, I was actually one of the online speakers and I shared about how to organize your thoughts and remember things effectively using a mind mapping tool. Now, for those people who know me personally, they know that I love mind maps. So I shared that with the online conference about 2 years ago. So that's why I'm sharing this with you now, because I have seen how valuable online conferences are. If you decide to get the recordings, just let me know and I will share with you the video during my talk on the previous online conference where I'm one of the speakers. And this is about the mind mapping. I actually want to do this online conference here in the Philippines. So in the comments below, share with me what you would like to know if you start joining a VA conference. It may be live meetup, or it may be an online conference, but share with me what do you want to learn when you start joining this type of conferences. Or if you're an expert, a VA expert, or if you've been in the VA industry for a long time and want to share, let me know as well. Just connect with me and I would love to collaborate with you. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And of course, don't forget to hit like and share this video with others. Bye!